Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to delete your Twitter account. With this tutorial, you will be able to deactivate or remove your account forever. The first step is opening Twitter. You will be in the Feed tab. This is where you can see all the posts from your following or just generally the algorithm. Once you're here, swipe right, and then you will see many options. Scroll down to Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here are more options. Tap on Your Account, and then just simply tap on Deactivate Your Account. Once you do that, you will have 30 days to bring your account back. After that, it will be gone for good. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.